Alrighty, welcome back. Today we're taking a hike. Got Ross and Lauren and myself, and today we're gonna try doing another sucker video, but we're thinking about maybe doing a little catch and cook as well. Maybe start a fire here on the river. Try getting a fire going if we can. It's been pretty wet, so we'll see. Get a fire going, maybe cook up some fresh fish on the side. See what happens. Got the GoPros, got this camera, hopefully get some decent video, and hopefully catch some red horse. Oh! Oh! Alrighty. We found a little beach here. And we're gonna try getting some Y sticks, set our rods in. These are all prickly. I don't like it. How does this work here? Never even tried this thing yet. Try this one right here. Pretty sharp. Is it? Yep. There we go. One down. That seems pretty nice. Alrighty. Start tying the rods up. Just got the Y stick set up here. We're gonna be casting right over here in this little eddy. The water's just circulating. Hopefully there's some suckers in there. If we get some, I think we're gonna keep a few and try to get a fire going. But let's see what happens. Ross says there's fish here, so I don't know what to believe. Alright. First cast. Alright. I was running with it too, and I literally just dropped it. You got one. Here, I'm gonna be in your line here in a minute. How the hell do I already have one? It's been in the water for like 20 seconds. What the heck? Fish on. At first it didn't feel very big. Now it feels a little bit better. You got one on too? Couldn't tell you. No way. Yeah, I have one. No way. That was fast as hell. Okay, we're gonna let mine go or keep that one.
He says couldn't tell you, I was on video. It wasn't fighting, it was just swimming at me. Okay, little man.
That was freaking stupid. Literally, they're in the water for what, 30 seconds? What the heck? I knew I saw the line going. It's freaking gnarly. Pretty fish. We're gonna let this one go. Ross is quite a bit bigger, so that'll be a good eater. That's what we need. We're gonna have to start thinking of that fire sometime. Alright, see you later, buddy. Come on. That was nuts. There he goes. That was crazy. Alright, so we caught a couple fish now. And I'm just out here looking for wood to start a fire to cook the fish right now. But it's pretty tough because it just rained all day today, so you gotta pick and choose your wood that you're trying to get, because not a lot of it's dry at all. Some spooky country in here too. we're starting a fire the primitive way. We don't have lighters today, so decided to have a little fun and start a fire like they used to back in the old days. Alright, grabbing some more wood here. Trying to keep this fire going hot. Still haven't even flayed that sucker yet. Let's see. It's really weird. That is a really weird piece of wood. What the hell? It's like purple, almost gray, and super smooth. Weird. Alright. That's wet. This. Not terrible. Whoa, look at this. Oh yeah. Perfect cutting board for our carp. Alright. The hell of the odds. It's like a freaking real nice slab of wood. Yeah, it would be perfect for a cutting board. Ouch. Oh, I just melted my eyelashes.
Yeah, they're singed.
God dang it. Alrighty, well, I'm trying to grab wood for this fire. It's getting going pretty good. I haven't even flayed this fish yet, but I just singed my eyelashes. Hot flame. That hurt. They're like sticking together right now. Yeah.
You're supposed to put your head in the fire.
I had it like freaking 5 feet away and the freaking wind caught it. Yeah, but we're gonna get this fire blazing, get this carp cut up, and find something to cook it on and be eating good. Give it a good wash. Never tried this before. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if I can scale this thing. A lot less scales to worry about. Alrighty. How should I do this? Flay them?
We should have brought some tin foil.
Yeah, we should have. Do you want me to flay them, or should I just cut the head off and like tube them out and then stick it on a big stick?
Tube them out.
All right.
Chop his head off.
All right. There we go. Full of eggs. All right, I gotta go wash them. Ross and I are just finding some sticks right now. I think we're gonna use this one for the skewer for putting it through the fish, and then we got part of a Y stick here. A little bit heavier duty than the other one we had. Just trying to find one more now. I just found one back in here. Kinda. part of it broke, but I think it might be fine for setting that in there. Never thought this far. We probably need a smaller stick, huh? They don't have a backbone really though, so you can try to go up above this. Just gonna send it through, I guess. Wherever it comes out, it comes out. Yep. Damn near perfect. We did bring a couple seasonings along. Just got some grill mates. Got some Lowry's too. It's always good on fish. Don't want it to be completely super bland. There's roasted garlic, whatever this is. Okay, that fire's way too hot. We're gonna have to knock her down a bit. Oh, God, it's way too hot. Oh, it's freaking hot. Oh. Put my hand literally right in the freaking fire. Oh, red my freaking hand is. You think it's done enough or no? I don't know. Can you plank it across these two?
I didn't catch that one.
Alrighty. Well, we got the fish cooked somewhat. I'm not sure if it's completely cooked, but it ended up tearing through the stick. And thank God Ross helped, because we almost lost it in the fire, but we managed to save it. We're gonna try it. Not sure, like I said, if it's all the way cooked. Some spots look iffy, but we're gonna give it a little whirl. As you can see, I mean, it's pretty flaky. Looks pretty greasy too, but I don't know. I'll give her a little taste test. Surprisingly, it's not bad. Interesting. Actually don't mind that at all. For being a redhorse or sucker, crabfish, whatever people call them, they're pretty good. Alright, give her a whirl. See what you think.
Not bad. Get a little bit of the skin in there too. It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I'm actually really surprised.
The skin just flakes off. Or just peels off.
We're all gonna be sick tomorrow.
Down by these ribs is gonna be done. Rib meat's good. I do have some big ribs, holy crap. Alright, Lauren.
No.
Come here.
No.
Try it.
No.
Try it.
It doesn't even look done, this piece.
It's all done, I promise.
Not my favorite. Yeah, no.
I don't mind it.
It's fishy.
I don't mind it.
Fishy.
I don't mind it at all either.
I like fish, but that's fishy.
Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's pretty fun. I don't know how long we've been out here, but I don't know, probably 4 or 5 hours now. Caught a couple fish, let a few go, and kept actually the first one that Ross caught. Nice big Redhorse. And we just cooked it, and obviously we don't mind it because we're still eating it. So I mean, it wasn't bad.
No, not
productive day. Kind of primitive, I guess. If we wanted to really be all out, we didn't have to use any seasoning, but I definitely wanted some seasoning. So there'll be more videos to come. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell to get notified, and we'll see you guys soon. Always eat, sleep, hunt, fish. See you guys next time.